Hello everyone, welcome to the underscore maths. We are considering here basics of linear algebra and we will discuss about what is linear algebra. So linear algebra is all about system of linear equations, also concerning vectors, spaces and a linear mapping between such spaces. Linear functions is any function that graphs to a straight line, and linear algebra is the systematic theory regarding the solution of system of linear equations. In the system of linear equations, we will consider characterization of solutions, whether the solution exists or not, how many solutions are there, how does the solution set look, what is the solutions. So we can say a linear equation is an equation defined by a linear function that is defined on a linear space, and system of linear equations is a collection of equations in which the variables are multiplied by constants and added, and no variables are multiplied together. There are no power of variables like x2, y7, etc. Non-integer as x to the power 1 by 4 and etc. And no negative powers of variables and none variables multiplied together. Let us consider this example. 2x1 plus x2 equals to 0 and x1 minus x2 equals to 1. This is linear equations and a function of two variables. Linear equation of two variables where x1, x2 be the real numbers. So we will obtain the simplification of these equations gives us x1 equals to 1 by 3, x2 equals to minus 2 by 3. Solution exists. Unique solution is there. We can solve the system of linear equations by so many ways. Let us look another example. This is the system of linear equations of two variables x1 and x2. This system of equation has no solution. Let us check this another example. Same line has infinite solutions, so we can say same line that is consistent. Also we have intersection of lines. Line intersects here, line intersects at this point, so we can say one solution is there. We can say consistent. In general, a11 x1 plus a12 x2, a1n xn equals to b1, and similarly am1 x1 plus am2 x2 plus amn xn equals to bm. This is the system of m linear equations in n unknowns. x1, x2 up to xn is the collection of unknowns. aij's are coefficients and bj's are fixed. These bi's or bj's, we can say bj's, are fixed real or complex numbers. Now, non-linear equations will be in this form, where some powers of variables are there. So we can take a quadratic equation. So solution of these equations, x equals to minus 2 and x equals to 1. Solution exists in reals. For quadratic equation, there is no solution in real. Two complex solutions are there. Complex solutions are there, and for quadratic equation solution, we will obtain the solution of the quadratic equation by Sridharacharya formula. So let us consider this quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We will solve this equation by Sridharacharya formula. Minus b, x equals to minus b, plus minus square root of b square minus 4 is equal to 2a. So these are some facts about linear algebra, and in next part we will discuss about the application of linear algebra. Thanks for watching.